In the year 1314, a pivotal moment unfolded in Scotland as 6,000 brave Scots stood their ground against the might of an empire ready to fight for their freedom at the Battle of Bannockburn. As the sun rose over the horizon, the air was thick with tension, each soldier knowing that this fight was not just for victory but for the very essence of their identity and homeland. Robert the Bruce, with fire in his eyes, urged his men to stand firm, igniting a spirit of unity that would reverberate through the ages as they prepared to clash with their oppressors. As the battle raged on, the Scots utilized their knowledge of the land to turn the tide, ultimately leading to a moment of triumph that would forever change the course of history. With the English forces in full retreat, the sound of victory reverberated across Scotland as the once divided clans came together to celebrate their newfound freedom and the legacy of Bannockburn. In the years that followed, the legacy of the Battle of Bannockburn endured, inspiring generations to remember the sacrifice of their ancestors and the unyielding spirit of a nation.